In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate TypeScript types in Supabase. If you're building with Supabase and TypeScript, generating types is a really helpful step because it gives you a typed representation of your database structure. That means better autocomplete, fewer mistakes, and a smoother development experience overall. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the built-in option inside the Supabase dashboard. To begin, go to your Supabase project dashboard. This is the main area where you can access all of your projects and settings. Once you're there, select the project you want to work with. Make sure you open the correct project since the generated types will reflect the schema and tables inside that specific database. After opening the project, look for project settings. This is where Supabase keeps configuration options and tools related to your current project. Click into project settings and then find the data API section. The data API area includes documentation and developer tools that are useful when connecting your app to your database. Once you're inside Data API, click on Docs. This will take you to the documentation view within your project. From here, you'll be able to browse different sections that explain how your project's API and database structure are organized. Next, navigate to the section called Table and Views. This area focuses on the database objects that are most commonly used in your application, and it's where you can explore the structure of your data in more detail. After that, click on Introduction. Even though it sounds like a general overview page, this section contains useful starting points for working with the generated documentation and related tools. From there, look for the option labeled Generate and Download Types and click it. This is the part you need if you want Supabase to produce TypeScript definitions based on your database schema. These generated types can then be added to your project, so your queries, inserts, and updates can all benefit from stronger typing. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time and reduce bugs, especially as your database grows. And that's it. You've now reached the place in Supabase where you can generate and download TypeScript types for your project. If you use TypeScript regularly, this is a great habit to build into your workflow whenever your schema changes so your application code stays aligned with your database.